Hello everyone, welcome to our course on business analytics, and in today's lecture we are going to understand the meaning of grouped and ungrouped data. So stay tuned. So what you see here on the screen is actually ungrouped data, and now let's try to group this data using some formulas. So we'll write 0 to 10. And before we make these groups, let me see which one is the minimum and maximum number in this series. So we'll say is equals to min, and we'll check the minimum number, and it is 0, and let's check the max also, and maximum number is 99. So we'll make different groups, 0 to 10, and then 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, then 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 90, and finally 90 to 100. So these are the groups which we have created, and now let's see how many of these numbers are actually less than 10. So we have total 9 numbers which are less than 10, and now let's see how many numbers. Okay, now I'll copy this. Before I do that, let me freeze these numbers, freeze these ranges. I have this range because it's going to remain same, and this time I'll change the condition to 20, and whatever I get as an output, I'll subtract the previous one from it, because in 10 to 20 again we have 9 numbers. Now what we are going to do is we are going to change into now 30, and let me change this also, sum of this to this. I'll freeze this. Okay, so we have 14. Now if we go here, then we can write condition 40, and then we have this time we'll change this condition to 50. Now we'll change this condition to 60. Now we're going to change it to 70, and then we're going to change it to 80, then we're going to change it to 90. We are just changing these conditions, and lastly we're going to change to 100. So this is if you see, total is 105. Actually, let's see the count. So the sum of this is 105, and you can see below 105 is written here. So let's see whether we have 105 numbers. So the count is 105. So this area which is selected is known as ungrouped data, and this is known as grouped data, wherein this is a class, and this we call it as frequency. So this portion is grouped data, and this portion is ungrouped data. So I hope this is clear to you what is the differentiation between grouped and ungrouped data. Please click on the like button. Also click on the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel. Click on the bell icon to receive regular updates about our channel and the videos which we post. Thank you.